Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Are you hearing me, students? Are you listening me, students? Please reply. Are you hearing me, students? Please reply here in the chat box. Hurry up so that I will start my lecture. Okay, Dua, very nice of you. I'm waiting for some other students to join me. Then I will start my today's lecture. You all know that I'm discussing the language topics here during the online classes. And in the physical classes, I am discussing the different topics of literature portion. Okay. But now onwards from Monday, your physical classes will start. So we will discuss or all the topics, including literature and language. Both we will discuss in the class. So please, you should be very regular in the classes, and you should have your literature and language both journals with the literature book with you. You should be very careful about that, because we are not having so much time, so we will not repeat any topic again and again. We will cover the topics uh, in the class of literature as well as of language. And you have to complete your homework assignments as well on time, so that they will be checked properly and on time. I'm just waiting for some students, and within a few moments I will start my today's lecture. Now I'm showing you, I'm giving you the lecture of another English language topic today. This is English language lecture. I'm Mrs. Afshin Imran. This is lecture number 9, and the topic is essay writing. Okay, you all have done many essays before, but without any particular kind. You have done many kinds of essays together, but I'm going to discuss the essay writing by describing you different kinds of essays. First of all, I'm going to discuss the definition of essay. uh, this is the definition I'm showing you here. An essay is a short piece of writing on a particular subject. Particular subject means particular topic has been assigned to the student or to you, and you have to write about the detail or about the topic in the essay form or in different paragraphs form. It is actually the short piece of writing about a topic. Now there should be some steps to write an essay. Yeah, like you have done the formal letters, applications. So you know that there are some steps which you should follow to write the applications and the formal letters. But here it is also important to know about the steps how to write an essay. So first of all, I'm going to discuss the steps to write an essay. The first one is brainstorm the topic. Brainstorm the topic means you should think about the topic. Whenever you have been assigned a topic, you should think about the topic and whatever points, how many points which come to your mind, you have to note down all the points. Note down all points that come to mind about the topic. It means you should have a rough notebook with you every time. Like here, when you are taking the class, you should be having your rough notebook with you so that you will write the important points about the lecture, about the topic. Similarly, brainstorming means to note down the small important points about the topic which come in your mind. Now, the second step is to research the topic. Research the topic means collect the information about the topic from different sources. Can collect the information about the topic by using different books, by using the library, by using different magazines, by using newspapers, and the most easiest way nowadays is the internet. You can go through the Google and find out the information from about the different topics. Now, next step is to develop the main content. Main content means the important points. Sort out the important points. Actually, whenever you sort out the important points, it means you are deciding about the different paragraphs. If you have 4 main points, it means you have to write 4 paragraphs. Okay. So you have to sort out the important points. Now there are some more steps of writing an essay. The fourth one is outline the essay. Outline the essay means whenever you collect the main point, then decide the points about each paragraph. You have got a lot of points. For example, you have collected at least 25 or 20, 30 points. Then you have to decide about the uh, main points first, two for different paragraphs, and then the little important points, less important points, which have to be added in each paragraph. Okay, I hope you are understanding. Now, the fifth one is to write the essay. Write the essay means you can compile all points in paragraphs. Okay, compile means you have to join all points in the form of paragraphs. So these are actually the 5 steps to write an essay. Now, there are some parts of an essay. Whenever you write an essay, there should be different paragraphs, and these are called the parts of an essay actually. There are 3 parts of an essay. First one is introduction, second one is body, and the third one is conclusion. Are you listening, me students? Please reply.